Best trading strategy with pocket option using the FX Scanner Pro, known for its profitable trading results. Most traders want an alert signal, but we are still working on it. Anyway, we will be trading on normal currencies with at least an 80% return or higher. We have amazing recent trades here. We are dealing with only $10 per trade, which seems a good starting point for new traders. Almost 80% trading success rate while having the FX Scanner Pro indicator. I will show you on how to trade using the indicator. Take a look at this. Our Euro CAD has an upward arrow. With our actual price crossing both the gray and red moving average lines, there is a high tendency for the trend to go upward. Let's trade for a buy. This requires patience and knowing when to trade when the chart meets our trading requirements. We have a double arrow here, indicating a stronger uptrend. It can also be traded for 2 to 3 minutes. You can test this on a demo account first. We got our winning trade on that. Let's wait and find another arrow. We got another arrow here, confirming a downtrend trading signal. However, it's too complicated and the chances of the trade being successful are low. Nevertheless, we will try to trade for 1 minute. Let's go and trade lower. The FX scanner gave us 2 downtrend arrows. Hopefully, we can win it. The trend is going up. The price here might reverse and go downward. We were unlucky on that one, but we still have a positive balance. Let's make another trade. CHFJPY, a good downtrend alert, confirming a good charting position. Our price here shifts down slowly, crossing all moving average lines. Let's trade going down. See the rest of the video and follow us to get the latest trading strategies with pocket option and other trading brokers. It's seconded with additional down arrow, and a higher winning rate trading for it. Good trading results.